You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, we're going to be talking about, again, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Absolutely beast of a device, absolute weapon of a device, of a foldable device. You know what? There's so many things to talk about this device. It's just absolutely awesome. I love it so much. I love this device so much. I can't stop talking about it. It's just an absolute phenomenal design. And device, best in the business, best foldable device out there right now, from literally just, I don't know, it's just the best right now out of everyone else doing foldable phones. And I actually heard OnePlus are going to be doing a foldable phone as well, which is going to be absolutely awesome. I'm going to be making a video on that as well. But yeah, today we're going to be focusing on the price of this device. I'm going to give you guys the best price and the best deals that you can actually get on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight right into it. So I'm going to talk about the Samsung website. These deals and these prices you can only get from the Samsung website and nowhere else. And honestly, I don't mind that, because Samsung, the website, the website are going to give us the best deal and the best prices. And obviously we're going to get warranty guarantee with the devices as well that we buy, which is absolutely awesome. This is why I think Samsung website is the best place to be able to get these devices. And what I love about Samsung as well is the fact that they're trying to get these devices to as many people's hands as they possibly can, by putting great deals, putting great prices on these devices. I mean, heck, they reduced the price from what it used to be with the Samsung Galaxy's Z Fold 2. They brought the price down maybe like £300 less for the new 2021 Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, first of all, one of the deals they're actually doing on their website is a £50 discount off the device. So you want to get the Z Fold 3 or even the Z Flip 3, you literally have a £50 discount straight up on the device. Literally, I bought the Z Fold 3 today. This afternoon, well, today I bought the Z Fold 3 and I used that £50 discount off the price of the device to get the phone, which is absolutely awesome. I don't know why Samsung is doing that. Probably the first time they've actually done something like that. But yeah, I think it's pretty damn cool. You're saving yourself £50, which is very, very nice. But yeah, it's very nice. So it's £50 or $50 if you're in America. And yeah, it's very, very nice that Samsung is actually doing that. And also you can do trade-ins, which is awesome. Samsung has always had this kind of plan on their website anyways. Obviously trading in your old phone to get the latest phone, which is just absolutely awesome. So you give them your old phone, you kind of fill out a little information how bad the phone is, if it's got a cracked screen, or just basically you give them a little background about your old device, and then you send it away. They give you a price on it, and then they take it off. They take it off the cost of this, and then there you got your brand new phone, and obviously your phone is, you know, gone for whatever they're gonna do with it. But yeah, anyway, the trade-ins Samsung is doing this year is up to a whopping £600, which is just absolutely incredible. So for the £600 mark, you need to have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the S21 Ultra, and of course the S20 Ultra if you want that big £600 discount. Plus that £50 discount already is going to be taken off the device as well that Samsung has on their website. So that's you there saving £650, which is just absolutely awesome. That's like three quarters of the price of the device, which is absolutely awesome. And then for 500 mark to be taken out the cost of the device, you need to be looking to trade in a Galaxy's Note 20 or the Galaxy S20 Plus, or even the Galaxy S20, the S20 Ultra as well, depending on how the size of the memory as well, the storage. I mean, so the less storage you have on the devices, you get lower for it, and the higher you get more money for it. And then if you want £450 taken off the price of this device. You need to be looking to trade in either the first generation of the the Z Fold, or the Z Flip, or the S20, the Galaxy S20, or the Galaxy S20 Plus. And yeah, for you to get that £450 mark off the device. I mean, that's still quite a lot of money, £450 just to put aside so you can get yourself a brand new device. It's just absolutely awesome. And then we come to the finance option for the device, just for the phone, no SIM card, just for the phone. But yeah, I like the fact that Samsung has actually implemented the whole finance situation onto their website. So there's no excuse for you not to be able to afford the latest brand new phone from Samsung. There's literally no excuse at all. There's so many options and so many ways you can get your hands on one of these devices, because Samsung has made it that you can get it even if you don't have a lot of money, or you don't have the full price of the money to spend on the device. But yeah, the two main companies that Samsung use is PayPal Credit, or I don't know how you say it, but I think it's Calma Credit as well. So for the PayPal Credit, you can have an installment for 12 months to 36 months, which is pretty cool. So for 12 months, you're looking to pay, for 12-month installments every month, you're going to be looking to pay £133 every single month. And then for 18 months, you're looking to pay £88. And then for the 20 months period, you're looking to pay £66. And then for a 36 months period, you're looking to pay £44. And £44, that is just so little. And yeah, that's for the 36 months. That's what, 2 years and a half, which is just absolutely awesome. So it's just awesome that you can get these kind of deals. What, £44 every single month is literally nothing, just for you to have a brand new device from Samsung, which is absolutely awesome. And then speaking about the Calma credit, you can get the credit from 6 months all the way up to 48 months. So a wide variety there for you guys to play about, depending on how much you want to spend and how much your budget is. So for 6 months is £266 every month for 6 months for you to pay the phone off. And for 12 months, you're looking at £133. And there's a catch with this credit here. For 6 months and 12 months, you get charged no interest at all. But for 30 months, 36 months and 48 months, you're going to be charged a 4.99% interest, which isn't too bad. I mean, if you want to pay less, then it's not too bad at all. But for the 30 months duration time, you're going to be paying £56, which is literally nothing. In total, you'll be paying £1,704 to the phone. And then for the 36 months, you're going to be only paying £46, which at the end of the 36 months period, you're going to end up having, your final total payment will be £1,724. And for 48 months, you'll be paying only £36 a month, which is absolutely awesome. But the end total cost you're going to be paying towards the device will be £1,767, which yes is a lot of money, but it just saves you more money in the long run, if that makes sense, because it's all about affordability with Samsung. That's why they have these options, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, and then you have contracts as well. Contract I don't really know about, but contracts are nice way for you to get the cost down of a device, and also to also get a SIM card as well, which you can have data on there, minutes and text as well. So most of these ones I've seen, they're coming with unlimited calls and text, and then maybe like 100 gig of data or something along them lines. But then it just varies on which SIM card provider you go for, and also just varies on what the monthly cost is. But yeah, that's been the video there for the prices and deals that Samsung actually has going on their website right now. I don't know when these offers and these deals and prices are going to finish, but if you want to pick yourself up one of these Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 or the Z Flip 3, then now is not a bad time to get it, because there's good deals and amazing deals and prices you can get on the Samsung website. So head up to the Samsung website and see what deal works for you. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smack that like button. Also subscribe, share the video, comment down below, tell me if you actually went on the website, the Samsung website, and purchased yourself one of these devices, and also tell me how you purchased them as well. If you did it by the credit or the £50 off, or you traded in a phone, or even a contract, however you get it, just let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.